everybody knows say motherhood it not come with manual. But you see in Jamaica, whether your mother, your granny, your auntie Mary will grow you, or even Miss Pam will live round the road, them people have some life lesson when them impart upon you to ring in your ears when you grow that all to this day you would never forget.
Come on, no.
Yes, my mother was a real teacher. She taught me speed and agility.
Come at your yard now. I just see if you ever make the pit on the ground dry before you catch a few yard, hell pop in ya.
And you see if midway between coming home me decide to stop a roll and play around a dandy shandy with them other people on the street, I would then get a lesson in anticipation.
You no live nowhere. Just wait till you reach home.
And receiving.
You're going get where the dog get.
And added to all of that, she would top it off with a lesson in the importance of the auditory functions.
You see, who can hear must feel.
Then the next thing she would teach me is how to meet a challenge.
Answer me back if you think you're bad. Answer me back if you think you're bad.
And if that not enough, she went into a little bit of the sciences. She taught me genetics, abstinence, and safe sex rolled into one.
Pikni, you can trouble. You Pikni, them going come just like you.
No, get no more breakfast. Me no get no more milk to put in the cornflakes.
But all in all, my mother didn't really jokify still. She really taught me about humor.
Lord, my daughter, to how me love you, me don't even want to fly pitch by you.
But you see one thing, she never wrap up with certain things. She taught me the value of an education.
If you know, go to school and take up your book, you go turn thief or you go walk a street and pick up buckle.
Then, you see all when me a teenager and me a try gym screech if you left the house to go meet up with my friend them, she taught me that mothers have extra special powers.
Wait, you think me don't know what you're up to?
Yeah man, listen them whole heap when my mother teach me. And you see one I think that what she make sure so she impart was about good hygiene and cleanliness.
You look here now, make sure say when you go on road, you wear the nice, pretty clean underwear without the holy night. Because you could be black down one day out the road and they have to lift you up and carry you go to hospital.
The next thing she teach me is about being tidy and how to keep house.
And you make sure you spread your bed before you left your yard, you know. Because if you drop down, they might have to go lift you and carry you back.
And she make sure said she impart on me the lesson of planning ahead.
And you see, you make sure say you carry your vex money when you are going to know why in case someone wants to sign up with you.
And the next thing she teach me that I'm sure my husband won't complain about is how to be a good wife.
Look here, you see when you get a husband, you have to make sure say you bathe and sweet up yourself at night time before you go to your bed.
And for one thing she teach me where we will definitely hold on to and pass on to my pitni them is the wisdom of age.
Aye, you see when you get to be as old as me, you will understand. Me whole, but me no cold.
Yes, me sure if you have a Jamaican mother, you must hear 1, 2 or even all of them things there. What about you? What lesson your mother imparts?
Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried.